Hi, I'm JD Hoovener, the host of the Bold Today Show, where you, the inventor and entrepreneur, get your daily dose of inspiration to make the world a better place. Okay, we're in part 3 of our aerospace focus, and today's challenge is for you to think about who your favorite airline company is. You've flown probably quite a few different airliners. For me, being a Seattle native and flying a lot in the Northwest, Alaska Airlines is actually my favorite. Alaska has top quality customer service, and you know what you're going to get when you get on board. So put in the comments below, what's your favorite airline and why? And a lot of you are passionate about who your favorite airline is. Today's invention topic is, of course, going to be about airplanes. And one of the things ways that you realize what your favorite or where your favorite airline is by the color that's on the paint of the airplane. You see the logo sticking up on the vertical tail, and you see the paint along the sides. What you might not think about too much is paint. The paint itself on the outside of the airplane matters a lot. Weight on an airplane, and even more than weight, drag, means anytime an aerodynamics is flowing over an object, if there's anything that hangs up on it, it will cause significant amount of drag and reduce the fuel efficiency of an airplane. In a study, up to 0.5% of an entire fuel economy of an airplane is due to chips in the paint on an airplane skin, unbelievably. So the application of paint and what goes into the layering and how paint is applied makes up a big part about what makes an airplane more or less fuel efficient. So our patent of the day, as you can see here, is going to be a very new style of paint and an outer layer on these new composite airplanes that are coming out. The 787 Dreamliner, for example, it's got a composite skin. And so what's important now more than ever is the concern about lightning strike. Up in there flying around, you can get a lightning bolt hit the airplane. And with metallic airplanes, it's not as big of a deal because that energy is actually routed along the skin to specific channels and off of another end, and then it'll go toward the ground. With a composite structure, it can actually blast holes in the structure. And so you can see from this patent, there's this woven layer of fibers and materials that are in a perfect layer that sit right on top of the skin as part of the paint and the final finish of the airplane, so that it will actually disperse electric energy like a lightning bolt and prevent it from having a strike and creating a hole in the airplane. Coming back around to who your favorite airline is and what it is, what that means, hopefully you've learned something about technology, and now you think of an airplane, when you look at the logo and the paint, you know what kind of technology can go into it. So I encourage you to share this with a friend or family, help them think about a way that they can visualize their favorite airline and what goes into the technology on the outside of the airplane too. Hope everyone have a great day, and thanks for tuning in for this version of the Bold Today Show. Go big, go bold.
Go big, go bold at boldip.com.